Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I would like to invite you to 3 challenges that Dory's Dollies and I host each month. The first one of the month is Amaya Raine, which can be any rainbow high or shadow high doll, any at all. We just call it Amaya Raine. On the 3rd of each month, on the 16th of each month, we do a Dolls Gone Goth, and that can be any doll at all. And on the 18th of the month, we do High Barbie. As you can see, I'm not in my doll nook, I'm in my new studio, and I don't really have my dolls sorted yet. But let me tell you what the themes are for this coming month. We went with, on the 3rd, with Amaya Raine. It's a creating month. Little DIYs or tutorials, anything you want to do. For Amaya Raine, we did Something You Made. And for Dolls Gone Goth, we're going to stay with that theme. And it's going to be something you have made or a prop in black. For Barbie, we're going to do anything you've made. It can be an outfit, or actually it could for Dolls Gone Goth also. It can be anything you've made, but we're looking for props for Dolls Gone Goth and Barbie. But anything you made will be fine. We always upload at 10 a.m. Central to all 3 challenges. Dolls Gone Goth is on the 16th, Barbie is on the 18th, and Amaya Raine is on the 3rd. This coming March 3rd for Amaya Raine, we're leaving it wide open. March, I can't believe March is almost here. We're going to do something in green, just green. You could show your green-haired rainbow high, or make something green, or dress them in St. Patrick's outfit. Anything at all you want to do. We just hope you'll join in on the fun. For Dolls Gone Goth, you can use any doll, and I always say we are not the goth police. However you interpret it is fine with us. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Don't miss Dory's video today. She always has the cutest photos and ideas for us. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both Dory and I. And on the days of the challenges, be sure and go by and see everyone.